Hello everyone, today we are looking at turbo racing 176 ratio RC drift car. Okay, so turbo racing has been coming out with a lot of this scale ratio of RC car, and this time round, right, this model that they came out is C64. Is very amazing because it's a drift car and it's ready to drive right out of the box. You can start playing your drift car, RC drift car in this form factor. This is really very amazing engineering because right they have the gyro in place. So I'm going to show how the gyro actually functions. Okay, how you can see the gyro. So right now I switch off the gyro. So when you let me zoom in a bit. Okay, focus. Okay, so you can see my hand turning. This is where you can switch off and tune the ratio to the strength that you want. So right now it's 0, so I move the car. If like the car is drifting, right, you see the gyro is not in action. But if I turn it on, you can see. Can you hear the sound? Yeah, so let me do to the max so that you can see the wheel. You see it's turning on its own. So right now gyro is on the max. I'm not touching the controller and the gyro is in action. Drift. So drifting is doing the counterweight ratio. Okay, doing some counterweight calculation to ensure your drift is more smooth. This is mainly for those rear wheel drive. So for four-wheel drive, right, drifting, you do not need this kind of gyro, but this is very amazing to be able to start practicing on rear wheel drive, right, on this kind of form factor 176. Really very tiny. You see, just on the palm of my hand, like twitching like cockroach dying already. Twitch, still can twitch. So this is how the gyro is doing its job. Okay, next, some ASMR for you. I stop talking for a while. Yes, very amazing piece of engineer to be able to squeeze everything in this form factor. I'm still very amazed. So you see I can switch off the gyro. So one of the tuning, right, is you need to tune the strength of the gyro. You need to tune, in fact you need to take out the body shell. They provide you some of the screws. Okay, one of screws inside. Okay, let me focus more on this. Okay, so they provide screw. So this screw, right, is for you to tune the front wheel, okay, to the right configuration that you want. So you need to do some tuning. The tuning guide is in a much more detailed manual, okay, in the QR code. So they send a instruction manual. Do take note, right? The instruction manual very good. They're very turbo racing, right? They're very environmental friendly. The box, right, becomes so small. Everything all becomes so small. Save a lot of paper. And in fact, the manual is not the full manual. You need to scan the QR code over here, okay, to see the full manual, whereby they will teach you how to tune your car briefly. In the end, you all have to wait for other YouTubers to come out with a more tuning guide. Okay, so do check out the more detailed manual that they have. Okay, the link is right in the description below. Okay, hope you all like this short video. I'm still very amazed by the gyro, so that's why I create a video on this gyro itself. Okay, so hope you all like it. Very excellent product.